Hey everyone, are you ready to get into the Halloween spirit with a creepy nail design? Today we're unboxing the Halloween fall themed daily charm box, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's inside. Welcome back to all my fabulous subscribers, and a big hello to all the newbies who are joining us for the first time today. I am so excited about this Halloween and fall-inspired daily charm box, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. Whether you're a DIY nail art pro or just getting started, this charm box has something for everyone. So let's get to the goodies. Let's dive right in. Autumn Cottage Care DC Embossed Sticker. Twinkle Twinkle Crystal Mix Autumn Radiance. Airbrush Boo Bash Spooky DC Sticker. Spiderwebs Bejeweled Stickers. Colorful Double-Sided Cuticle Pusher. Dazzling Geometric Drop Studs Mix. Woodland Wonders Stud Mix. Swarovski Electric Color Round Crystal Mix. Fall Stone and Studs Mix. Oversized Black Widow Spider Charms. Purple Metallic Crisp Foil. Glow-in-the-dark Starry Moon Glitter Mix. Sweet Mini Bow and Rhinestone Mix. Nail Art Tulle Fabric Box. Charm Gel C69 Celestial Charm. Charm Gel C67 Autumn Aura. Gothic Lace Sleeve Cuffs. Witch Hat Hair Clip. Pumpkin Pop Foil. The last item that was in the box, and I do apologize in advance, was a Dum Dum Lollipop. And unfortunately, I ate it before we did the unboxing, but it really was there. Now here's the challenge. With so many fun products, how do we create a standout Halloween nail design? It can be overwhelming to decide. Well, don't worry, I'll walk you through my thought process and show you how to combine these items into a stunning look. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. I love how this design turned out. It's festive, fun, and perfect for any Halloween gathering. Plus, these products from the Daily Charm Box made the process super easy and enjoyable. Thank you all for joining me today. If you enjoyed this unboxing and nail design tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative content. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Halloween nail design is. Until next time, keep shining and happy haunting.